How to hide chats on Messenger inbox? Firstly, launch your Messenger application on your device. Sign into the particular account and then locate the chat which you want to hide on Messenger. Tap on it and open it. Now select the profile of there on at the top of the screen. On the section, when you scroll down and look for it, there is no any search particular icon that help us to hide chats on Messenger. But nevertheless, you can easily archive this particular chat on Messenger, which is similar to hiding chats on Messenger. For that, you can simply tap and hold a particular chat and tap on archive. Once you do that, when you look for here, then we don't see any kinds of that chat with that person. So that's how we can easily hide chats on Messenger inbox. If you want to unhide it, you can tap the three line at top left corner and select archive. Here you can easily see the list of all the archive chats. For that, you can tap and hold and then select the on archive, and this will on archive and it will be shown again on your Messenger inbox. So that is how we hide chats on Messenger inbox. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.